Very good afternoon, children. How are you? In previous class, I told about multiplication of whole numbers and multiplication of integers. Multiplication of by whole numbers, multiplication of by integers, I told in the previous class. Now I will start about multiplication of the fraction, multiplication of the whole numbers. Very important. Careful listen all of you. Multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fraction. Multiplication of fraction by whole numbers. By whole numbers. How do you know whole numbers? What is the definition already told previous class? What is the whole number? Whole number collect of positive numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. You start 0, whole number start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on also. These are whole numbers. A multiplication of fraction by whole number. When we multiply whole numbers, we know we are repeat adding the number. When we multiply whole numbers, we know we are repeatedly adding the number. For example, 5 into 4. 5 into 4. 5 into 4 when given two numbers are whole numbers. Two numbers are whole numbers. Product of two numbers. Product of two positive numbers always positive. Now 5 into 4 means 5 into 4 means 5 times 4, or adding 5 group of 4 each. Adding 5 group of 4 each. 5 times 4. 5 times 4, 4 repeated how many times? 5 times. Also got 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many times repeat same number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 times 4. How many times? 5 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. How much? 5 4 jars 20. Or take 5 number how many times? 4 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 how many times repeat? 4 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. The result is same. The product of two whole numbers, 5 4 are 20. Repeat the number how many times? 5 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 5 times. 5 into 4, 5 4 are 20. Again take 5 number how many times? 4 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. The result is 20. Both are same. This is multiplication by whole numbers. Next one. Thus we can say 2 into 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by 4. 2 is whole number, 1 by 4 is fraction. Multiplication whole number by fraction. Whole number by fraction. 2 into 1 by 4 means 1 by 4 twice. Twice means double. Twice means double. 2 into 1 by 4 means 1 by 4 twice or 2 times 1 by 4. 2 times 1 by 4. Okay, repeat number. 1 by 4 how many times? 2 times. Adding. Adding 1 by 4 twice. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 how much? 2 by 4. These two are like fractions. These two are like fractions. What is the LCM? 4. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4. Let us represent two pictorial. In the pictorial. Now 1 by 4. How many parts? 4 parts. Take one circle, divide 4 parts. 1 by 4. Shaded. One part is shaded. This is 1 by 4. Plus take second circle. Divide 4 parts. Another given 1 by 4. Another part is shaded. How much? Divide 4 parts. 2 by 4. 2 by 4. This is answer. This is pictorially. Let us represent in the pictorially. First one 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to how many shaded here? 2 parts are shaded, remaining 2 parts are unshaded. 2 by 4. Out of 4, 2 shaded parts here. This is pictorially 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. Next one. Let us now find 3 into 1 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2 means multiplication whole number by fraction. This is whole number, this is fraction. Product of one whole number and one fraction. 3 into 1 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2 means 3 into 1 by 2 means 3 times 1 by 2 or 3 halves. Halves means half. 3 into 1 by 2. How many times repeat 1 by 2? 3 times. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. How many times? 3 times. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. These two are like fractions. These three are like fractions because denominator having the same number. This is like fraction. What is the LCM? All denominator number equal 2. Remaining number 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 how much? 3. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 what is the fraction? Improper fraction. This is improper fraction. Convert to the mixed fraction. Find mixed fraction 3. How many times? 1 2 just 2. 1 is remainder. 1 is remainder. Remainder 1 is in the denominator place. 2 repeats same number written in denominator place. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. This is mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction. Now let us see in pictorial. 1 by 2. Out of how many parts? 2 parts. How many? 1 by 2 how many times? 3 times. Half plus of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 one part. This is 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. How much? 1 and a half. 1 by 2. Total wall 1, remaining out of 2, 1 part is shaded. This is half. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. This is improper fraction. 1, 2, 3 parts. 3 parts are shaded, remaining 1 part unshaded. This is victory. Next one. Next one. Do this. Are we given 3 sums same model? Given 3 sums same model. Now one by one I write. Find 4 into 2 by 7. 4 into 2 by 7. And second one 4 into 2 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Third one 7 into 1 by 3. 7 into 1 by 3. 3 sums given. First one, second one, third one. I will say one by one. I will explain one by one. Careful listen. This is whole number. This is fraction. Multiplication whole number by the fraction. Multiplication by the fraction with whole number. Like it. 4 into 2 by 7. 4 into 2 by 7 means 4 into 2 by 7 means 4 times 2 by 7. Adding 4 times. Repeat number 2 by 7. How many times? 4 times. 2 by 7 plus 2 by 7 plus 2 by 7 plus 2 by 7. 2 by 7, 2 by 7, 2 by 7, 2 by 7. How many times? 4 times. Means 4 times 2 by 7. 2 by 7 plus 2 by 7 plus 2 by 7 plus 2 by 7. These are like fractions. What is LCM? Only more than times repeated 7. That is LCM. 7 is LCM. 7 is LCM. Remain numbers 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Adding 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 7. 8 by 7, what is the type of fraction? Improper fraction. Convert to the mixed fraction. 8 by 7. 7 is how many times? 1 7 is 7. 8 minus 7. 1 is remainder. 1 is remainder. 1 by 7. 1 by 7. This is mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction. 4 into 2 by 7. 4 into another method 4 into 2 by 7. Product of one whole number and one fraction. 4 2 just 8 by 7. 8 by 7. This is improper fraction. Come to the how find out 1 by 7. Like it. This is repeating model. This is multiplication model. Okay? Understand? This is repeating, adding same number, repeating. Same result. 8 by 7 is product. The product of whole numbers and fractions. This is multiplication model. 8 by 7. 8 by 7. 8 by 7. Same result. This is improper fraction. 1 by 7. To convert to the improper fraction, mixed fraction. This convert to the mixed fraction 1 by 7. This is also 1 by 7 mixed fraction. Next one, second one. Already first one over. The second sum. Now we are going to second sum. 4 into 3 by 7. Second one 4 into 3 by 7. 3 by 5. 3 by 5. 3 by 5 how many times? 4 times. Given 4. This is whole number. This is fraction number. What is the type of fraction? Proper fraction. Because numerator is less than denominator, that is called proper fraction. Already previous class I told about proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. 4 into 3 by 5 multiplication whole number by the fraction. By the fraction 4 into 3 by 5. 3 by 5 times means 4 times 3 by 5. Adding 3 by 5 half 4. 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5. How many times repeated 3 by 5? 4 times. Only given, whole number given 4 times repeated. 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5. How much? What is the LCM? 5, 5, 5, 5. Same number. So got same number 5, given number 5. Remaining number adding 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many times? 4 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 by 5. 12 by 5 is improper fraction. Now convert to the mixed fraction. 5. How many times 5? 1 5 is 5. Remainder 7. 7 is remainder. 7 in the numerator place. 7 by same repeat number in the denominator place. 1 7 by 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 plus 7 12 by 5. This is improper mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction. Now this is adding method. 4 into 3 by 5 product method. 4 into second method. 4 into 3 by 5. Product of whole number and numerator number. 4 3 is 12 upon 5. 12 by 5. 12 by 5. This also 12 by 5. Both are equal. 12 by 5. Improper fraction. Convert to the mixed fraction. 1 7 by 5. Already find out. 1 7 by 12. Both are equal. Same result. This method adding, this one multiplication method. Next one, the third sum. The third one, given 7 into 1 by 3. 7 into 1 by 3. 7 is whole number and 1 by 3 is fraction. 1 by 3, what is the type of fraction? 1 by 3 is proper fraction. What is the proper fraction? Proper fraction, a fraction in which numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction. 1 by 3 is proper fraction. 7 into 1 by 3 means how many? 1 by 3 how many times? 7 times. Means 7 times 1 by 3. Our first method 1 by 3 how many times? 7 times. Right? 7 times. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. How many times repeated? 7 times. Only given one number is 7 times repeated. What is the LCM? LCM is 3. 3 is LCM because denominator having same number. This is like fractions. These are like fractions. How many times repeat? 7 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times. 7 times repeated the same number. How much? 7. 7 by 3. 7 by 3. What is the type of fraction? 7 by 3 is improper fraction. Now convert to the mixed fraction. 3, 7. 3 how many times? 2 times. 2 3 is 6. Remainder 1. 1 is remainder. 1 is in the numerator place. 3 is repeat the same number in the denominator place. 2 1 by 3. 3 2 just 6 plus 1 7 by 3. This is what is the type of fraction? This is mixed fraction. This is method 1. Second method, 7 into 1 by 3. Product of one whole number and one fraction. Multiplication whole number by the fraction. By the fraction. 7 into 1 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is improper fraction. Convert to the mixed fraction. How to find out? 2 1 by 3. These two are result is same. These two are result is same. Next one. The second one. Let us consider some improper fractions. Let us consider some improper fraction like some improper fraction like 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Let us consider some improper fraction like 5 by 3. What is the type of fraction 5 by 3? 5 by 3 is improper fraction. How find out? How to multiply? How to multiply? How to multiply 2 into 5 by 3? 2 into 5 by 3. Product one whole number and one fraction. Multiplied whole numbers by the fraction. By the fraction. How many times means adding 5 by 3 twice. Twice means double. Or 2 times 5 by 3 means adding 5 by 3 twice. Twice means double. 2. Only 2 number is given. 2 is twice. Or 2 times 5 by 3. Now 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3. 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3 how many times? 2 times. Only given 2 twice. 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3. What is the type of fraction? These two are like fractions. These two are like fractions because denominator having the same number. What is the LCM? 3 3. 3 is LCM 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equal to 10 by 3. 10 by 3. What is the type of fraction? 10 by 3. What is the type of fraction? This is improper fraction. Convert to the mixed fraction. 3 10. How many times? 3 times. 3 3 is 9. 10 minus 9. What is the remainder? 1 is remainder. 1 by 3. 3 1 by 3. 3 1 by 3. Let us see. Let us represent into pictorial. How many parts? Out of 3. Divide 3 parts. Divide 3 parts. Again draw the circle. Divide 3 parts. How many parts shaded? 5 parts given. 5 parts. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded. You go to another circle. Take 2 parts. Take 2 parts. Total parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are shaded out of 3. Out of 3. 5 by 3. Plus another take circles. How many parts? Divide 3 parts. Divide 3 parts. 1, 2. Total parts are shaded. Take 2 parts. Next circle. 2 parts. Total parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are shaded out of 3. Out of 3 means 1, 2, 3. Plus 5 by 3 is equal to answer Take draw the three circles. Draw the three circles. All you find out sum. How much? 10 by 3. Divide 3 parts. This circle also divide 3 parts. This is also 3 parts. How many parts shaded? Already find out 10 parts. 10 parts are shaded out of 3. Out of 3. One circle full shaded. Another circle also full shaded. Third circle also full shaded. And fourth circle one part. Take one part only. One part is shaded. Count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1. 10. 10 parts are shaded out of 3. This is pictorial. Next one, go to do the sums. Do the sums. Do this. First sum, find 5 into 3 by 2. Find 5 into 3 by 2. The second sum, 4 into 7 by 5. The third one, 7 into 8 by 3. 7 into 8 by 3. This number, whole number. 5 is whole number and 3 by 2 is fraction. 3 by 2, what is the type of fraction? 3 by 2 is improper fraction. Improper because the fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. 5 into 3 by 2. 5 into 3 by 2 means 5 times 3 by 2. How many times repeat? 5 times. Only given whole number is 5. 5 times repeat 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. How many times repeated 3 by 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Only given is 5. What is the LCM? LCM is equal to 2 because these are like fraction given 2 in the denominator place. LCM is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Same 5 times repeated the same number. That is number is 3. That is number 3. Adding 3 5 times. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 3 15. What is the answer? 15. We get answer 15 by 2. 15 by 2 is improper fraction. Convert to the mixed fraction. 2 15. How many times? 7. 7 2 is 14. 15 minus 14. How much? 1. 1 is remainder. 1 7 1 by 2. 7 1 by 2. 7 1 by 2. This is mixed fraction. Okay children, all understand? Okay, next class I will continue second sum and third sum. Okay, thank you.